Hello everyone, I am Mr. Low from Excel Software. Today I want to share with you the document lock feature of AutoCount. Many people do not know that the AutoCount system was developed with great care, including features to prevent common mistakes you might make. Then many friends do not know that it has already developed many of these small features, including this document lock. Document lock actually means that if you are editing the same document on different computers at the same time, this situation may result in two different final versions of the document. Then you might find it strange, why did I just change this thing and suddenly it turned into something else? It turns out two people were editing the same document at the same time. To prevent this situation from happening, AutoCount has created a feature called document lock. Here, I have made a sample with two different users and we will demonstrate using different users. Alright, this first user is called admin. So you can see the username in the bottom left corner. Let's just say I am editing this invoice, and when I press edit, I might change the amount or quantity to 2 before I save this document. Suddenly another colleague named another name. It's called Lo. Let's see, this colleague is called Lo, and this colleague Lo is also editing this invoice. The same invoice 008. Edit, you will see the system will notify you. This 008 is currently with this admin. What is the name of this user's computer?
Are you currently editing it? Do you want to proceed and insist on editing this document?
Are you want that you press yes, if not, you press no. Actually, if you're not sure about this situation, you can check in another place. In AutoCount, it has this feature called Tools, Document Lock Monitor, which can actually check this document. It shows what time it started updating, under which user's name, and on which computer. This is the manual method to check. While the previous one is automatic, it will pop up. This is AutoCount, and it has been very thoughtfully designed with a feature called Document Lock. I hope today's video can help everyone. I am Mr. Low from Excel Software, an AutoCount dealer from Ipoh. Thank you everyone. AutoCount, the most comprehensive accounting software, your first choice.